I traded so well today, I almost shed a tear. Real talk. This is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. Today, I traded JD, Under Armour, and McDonald's, and the three trades were all winners. Let's get to it. So on UAA, Under Armour, I was watching it because it lowered its full year guidance, but despite that, it beat its current quarterly earning and revenue. So, what I saw, and the stock was down 14%. So, in the pre market, we sold off, but we kept holding this level. And in the open, I watched it, but once I saw that we were not moving lower, I went long with a stop right below this line, this pre market low, and it popped up, and I tried to take some profit here, but I wasn't quick enough with the hotkey. It came down, it popped up. I literally got the top of the tail, popped up, sold, but once it dropped, and we got below VWAP, I took the rest off. And this play was designed as a scalp play. The second trade was on JD, and I was watching JD because JD was approaching his daily resistance. So on the daily chart, 32.35 has been acting as resistance. Whenever it came to this level since August, it's been going down, going down, going down. So my thought process was, if it gets above 32.35, I'm gonna take a long. And people are anticipating JD to do well because Baba. So JD is a Chinese company, and it trades similarly to Alibaba, and Alibaba is going to announce its quarterly earning, and they are projected to post big numbers. So I figured people were most likely bullish on JD. So once we got above we got above pre-market high. So that was one indication that the stock was strong. And then on the second bar, the volume was low. So the pullback, this tail was people taking profit. And then the pullback was on light volume. And then I just went long at 32.35 actually, with my stop right below the low of this second bar, 32.22, and it popped up. I locked in profit, and this red bar did not scare me because it was on low volume. The volume was low, so I knew that we were going to push higher, and then we popped up, and then I took more profit, and then the volume was decreasing, and we made this big bar despite the volume not increasing. So I thought we were about to top out, and when I got out, this was a tail. I took the rest off, and yeah, so this trade was a profitable trade. I was very happy with it. And my third and last trade was on McDonald's, and I was watching McDonald's because the CEO got fired because he was having an inappropriate relationship with one of his employees. And on McDonald's, what I saw was we made a double top. So this is the first top, the second top, and also what I liked about it was that we made a new high, but this new high was taken out by sellers. They said, "Not today, buddy." And I went short, not huge size, decent size, because this play was designed as a trade to hold. I was planning on holding it until around lunchtime with a stop right at the high of the day, and it dropped. Here I covered prematurely kind of early because we well, this was green. The price was going higher when I locked in some profit because the volume was increasing and I thought it was buyers stepping up, so I wanted to lock in some profit. And then it dropped, the volume was increasing, cool, and then it gave me a big drop and the volume was increasing and we were approaching low of day. And well, we penetrated low of day, but we were approaching this line, which is pre-market low. And considering that it sold off so aggressively, the volume was increasing, I literally locked in profit. I covered at the low of this bar. How cool is that? And then as anticipated, it popped up. I still had some shares left. I was gonna stop out if the price came to my entry point, but it rejected VWAP, so VWAP held as resistance like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So I knew that we were going down and gonna test low of day. And once we came to low of day and we kind of penetrated pre-market low, I thought that we could potentially go lower, but we kept holding this level, this pre-market low, low of day, once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So I took the rest of my position off, and after that it did drop for a bit, but then it popped up. And now who knows what's going to happen. It's probably going to continue to consolidate around this level. So these were the trades for today. I have to admit, I kind of got a little teary-eyed while I was trading McDonald's because I felt like I was reading the price action correctly and all the hard work that I've been putting in is finally paying off. You know, there is beauty in seeing your hard work paying off. And yeah, so if you're a trader, you know, study, and the hard work will pay off. And the key is to not focus on your P&L. I do not look at my P&L once today. It was strictly price action and sticking to my plan and looking at the volume bar and just stick with the trading. And if you know how to trade, the money will follow, and that was the case today. I did not look at my P&L at all. In fact, I still haven't looked at it, to be honest with you. But I know that today was a super profitable day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.